Great skin health starts here. Superfood Facial Oil is ideal for dull skin and perfect for anyone who wants a healthy looking, radiant glow. Enhance the benefits of your Superfood Facial Oil by incorporating facial massage into your daily routine. Not only do facial massages allow you to enjoy a deeply sensorial aromatherapy experience, they help to boost circulation, leaving the skin looking detoxed and radiant. After cleansing, apply 3 to 4 drops of your Superfood Facial Oil into the palm of your hands and rub together. Take a moment of calm to inhale the herbal aroma. Using your fingertips, sweep across the forehead to the temples, under the eyes to the temples, from the nose to the ears, circular movements over the cheeks, sweep from the chin to the ears, sweep up the neck, and tap all over the face with your fingertips. Repeat this sequence 3 times every morning and evening to treat your skin and your senses to a moment of deep relaxation.